Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing what's being called the Phuket red card system. For those who are unaware, and I've made a number of videos on this topic, apparently as of the time of this video, Phuket immigration has imposed a quote-unquote red card, yellow card system wherein foreign nationals who are in violation of Thai law on the initial violation will receive a yellow card. They'll be allowed to stay in Thailand for the remainder of their stay, but upon leaving, they won't be allowed to re-enter for their next entry. So they'll be denied their next entry. And then the red card, if they commit 2 violations while still in Thailand, will be immediately deported and removed from the country. And presumably, I don't know if they'll be blacklisted forever, if at all, remains to be seen. This is all pretty new. We're still kind of feeling this thing out. Also, bear in mind, this is not Thailand-wide. This seems to be specifically in Phuket, at least for now. Now, bear in mind, Phuket has had kind of a different immigration system for the past couple of years. Again, it's not that different. It's still under Thai immigration, and it's not autonomous or anything like that. It's just different. It's a tourism sector that's a little bit different than the rest of the kingdom as a whole. The other thing to bear in mind in recent history is they had the Phuket Sandbox, which was a totally different program compared to the rest of Thailand. And for that reason, they kind of have this different way of doing things, for lack of a better term. And this red card, yellow card system is another example of that. The purpose of this video is to compare, though, to the notion of U.S. inadmissibility. And because a lot of people have asked me, they've said, oh, this system really isn't great. And, people don't like it, clearly. And I can understand why. But understand, compared to, for example, the U.S. system with regard to deportable offenses and being deported, I mean, yeah, in the sense that this Thai red card system seems to somewhat have a traffic violation component. There's nothing really in the Immigration Act in the United States specifically that deals with traffic violations, although I can see a confluence of events involving a traffic situation which could end up with a legal ground of inadmissibility. But the thing to understand and the thing to take away from this video is, look, all immigration systems have these enforcement functions. There's activities that they deem are not for the public benefit of the country at hand, that they basically say, look, we're going to deport you over that, or we are going to take measures to see that you don't come back, for example. It's not just Thailand. And I can see where sometimes Thailand does things that are a little bit different from the rest of the world, or they're implemented in a way that's very different from the way they would be implemented somewhere else. But look, immigration systems throughout the world have some pretty stringent rules and regulations regarding who's allowed to be in their country and what activity can result in somebody being deported. So when I view this, I don't really see it as being completely out of whack with immigration authorities and apparatuses throughout the world. If anything, I view it as kind of, to one degree or another, in line with at least the underlying law involving immigration systems throughout the world.